So, as you start to review and compare the estimate from your insurance carrier to the repair plan provided by the collision repair facility, you may notice something at the bottom of both the estimate and the repair plan that says labor rates. And you may notice that these labor rates vary based on what type of labor rate it is, meaning, like, is it a body rate, a frame, a paint, or mechanical? Well, there's a reason for why labor rates may vary between the insurance estimate and the collision repair facility's repair plan. So let's help you to understand a little bit more about that. Michael, what are your thoughts about labor rates?
Right, so you touched on the variation in rates, and I kind of look at it in two separate ways. There's going to be a variation in rates based on the category or type of labor that's being performed. The most common categories you're going to see is body, refinish, mechanical, structural, and potentially aluminum if your vehicle is an aluminum vehicle or it maybe has some exterior panels that require aluminum repair. You're also going to see typically in certified shops where there's a certified repair required, you're going to see more specialized rates. And again, what that is that's a shop accounting for their cost and investment that were required to attain that certification and maintain it on a consistent basis. So one of the things that as a consumer you may see is a difference between the rates that your shop has calculated and the rates that your insurance company's utilized in their appraisal. Many times the insurance company likes to use a term called prevailing rate. So we've certainly seen that. A lot of you have also seen that. And the thing that most customers need to understand is prevailing rate is not a term that's utilized within many auto policies. In fact, it's not a term that's even utilized in many regulations that set forth how insurance companies handle auto claims. So it's essentially a term the carriers have coined to establish a generalized rate within the market. And as a customer, that doesn't necessarily mean a rate that you have to accept. So if you have a vehicle that requires a specialty repair, that shop is going to be able to give you some information and help educate and empower you so you can go back to your carrier and discuss those differences and why your vehicle cannot be repaired for that generalized prevailing rate, so to speak. So again, there's a lot of data out there, and as a consumer, you really just need to be aware, first and foremost, of what policy language is utilized within your auto policy.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.